In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rectangles in Google Slides. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. If you're not signed into your Google account yet, look to the upper right corner for the sign in button. Click it, choose your account, enter your credentials, and continue. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, access Google Slides. In the top right of the Chrome window, click the small grid of dots. This is the app launcher that opens a menu of Google services. Scroll until you see Slides, then click it to open. Once Google Slides is open, choose the presentation you want to edit or start a new one if that's your plan. Open your file, then navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to place a rectangle. You can click the slide thumbnail on the left to jump right to it. If you don't see the editing toolbar at the top, make sure you're not in present mode so all the tools are visible. Now, look to the main toolbar at the top, find the shape icon. It often appears as a circle overlapping a square. Hovering over it should show the label shape. Click it, then move your cursor over the first category called Shapes. From the submenu that appears, select the rectangle option represented by a solid square style icon. Your cursor will change into a crosshair, a small plus sign. Move your cursor to the exact spot on your slide where you want the rectangle to begin. Click and hold the mouse button, then drag diagonally. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle take shape. Keep dragging until you reach the size and position you want. When it looks right, release the mouse button to place it. If you need to adjust it, click the rectangle to reveal its handles. Drag a corner handle to resize in both directions, or drag a side handle to adjust width or height. To move the rectangle, place your cursor over the shape until you see the move cursor, then click and drag it to a new spot. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back and try again. For precise placement, you can nudge the shape with your arrow keys after selecting it. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks and a simple drag, you can place clean, consistent rectangles anywhere on your slides. Practice a couple of times so it feels natural, and you'll be ready to add shapes quickly whenever you build your next presentation.